think we might be on again. Yep. We are indeed on again. Look at that. I see him out there in the distance. Not sure what he is though. Oh, leave my fish alone. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, the bird. Look at that. That is a beautiful whiting. I'll take that all day long. Think you might be leaving at the wrong time, man. Said you might be leaving at the wrong time. That's the second one I've caught. I just caught one a minute ago. Hey, have a good one, brother. I tell you what, that bird, he was trying to get him.